in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Tampa Bay waters until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Hillsborough Bay, moving west at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Tampa Bay, Cockroach Bay, Getty Bridge, Hillsborough Bay, Old Tampa Bay, and Howard Franklin Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Flood advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall.